Hello and welcome everyone. If you are new to this channel, then my name is Amit Patel and you are watching Musings with Software Engineers. How should one start studying after selecting BTech in computer science and learn deeply the subjects? By reading the subjects. Okay. See, when I was in college, engineering college, there are two types of books which were there. One were the books which were mentioned in the syllabus. Okay, these books were really the main books. Okay, the people who had done the inventions, people who had done the and they were really McGraw Hill published books. Okay, and then there were some books which were mostly shortcuts. Okay, they were only there to pass the exams. So a lot of engineers would read these books. Okay, I don't know what to call those books. Okay, they are like question and answer style books where there will be question and they will directly give an answer. Okay, but I used to read from the reference books, the books which were mentioned in the syllabus. Okay, the books written by somebody who has done the real study of that particular subject. Okay, so if you really want to learn something deeply, then go for those reference books. They'll be very difficult to read and you'll have to be very focused to read it. But if you start reading and understanding those books, then when you come out of engineering, when you become a BTech in computer science, okay, uh, one, it will become very easy for you in interviews because you will, by reading those books, would have changed your mind completely. You would be able to discuss so many things which the question and answer style books cannot do. Okay, so you'll be, it will be very easy for you to pass the interviews. Okay, it will be very easy for you to get a job. Okay, and if you want to go into your own business or something, you want to become an entrepreneur, the books will actually help you to become an entrepreneur. Okay, so go for that. Okay, and studying is a focus thing. um, in 10th standard I read a book, how to, that was a book on rapid reading, how to read and remember whatever you read. Okay, in 10th standard I read that book and I used to use that method throughout my 10th, 11th, 12th, throughout my engineering to study. Okay, so I didn't study a lot. Like I was, uh, at least during the engineering, every day in the evening I would go out and play football, and once the football was over I would play chess with my friends. Okay, study was only before the exams. 1 month before the exams I would start studying. Okay, uh, during the regular time I would just try to read the books as much as I can, but it's not serious, that much serious. Okay, uh, I was never serious in college. Please understand this. Okay, and my marks show it that I was not serious in college. Friends, all of you who are still watching this video, okay, like this video, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, then subscribe now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. You can come on next Thursday and join me live. Thank you very much. See you in the next live.